Do you want to sound more senior in meetings without speaking more? In most corporate meetings, people reply too fast, and that reduces authority. Notice this. When a manager asks a tough questions, what do junior employees do? They immediately start explaining, defending, or overtaking. But what do senior leaders do? They pause, they think for a second, then they respond calmly. In corporate culture, quick replies often look nervous. Measured replies look powerful. Silence for 3 to 5 seconds looks confidence, not confusion. Next time in a meeting, when you get a question, don't rush. Pause, look composed, then answer in one clear sentence. That pause changes perception. In workplace communication, speed impresses friends, composure impresses leaders. You are watching Office Culture Communication series. Stay connected for the next episode.